In the modern age, a person takes an average 6.5 plane flights per year. This shows that people travel more often now compared to the past decades. Cheaper ticket prices and easy access to travel amenities provided by airlines are few of the reasons. The attitude when traveling doesn't only get limited to clothing packed in suitcases and bags, but also to the devices people carry with them as they venture out into the world. The smartphones, headphones, and laptops of the world come into mind for the traveler who wanted to stay connected to either maintain their social life or their precious job. But we must start asking this question. Is it practical to carry a device that is designed for office and homes, like the Samsung DEX, when you can have either your laptop or your big tablet with you? Okay, here's the quick answer for you. Yes and no. Samsung DEX is portable, but also not as portable depending on what you'll use it for. If you want the bare bones setup, yes. If you want to use it with all the usual peripherals that makes it more useful, no. Let me explain. Let's imagine you're traveling overseas. You booked a hotel. A decent hotel for sure. Hotel rooms usually comes with a TV in most cases. In this case, you can go for the bare bones setup. All you need is your HDMI cable, charging cable with the power brick, the DEX dock, and of course, your Galaxy smartphone. 4 items. That's it. Will these fit inside this bag? Yes, it fits nicely. No problem there. Do you want to bring your mouse and keyboard with you? I think it's not the best idea. However, you can have a wireless keyboard and mouse combo from, let's say, Logitech if you really want to. But do you really want to do that? Samsung DEX gives you the desktop experience using your Galaxy smartphone. Desktop often denotes an office setup. This means your travel-sized DEX setup lacks the monitor and input devices that makes it a true desktop computer, right? Well, here's where the hotel TV comes in. If you are sure that where you stay in has at least one monitor or TV that has an HDMI port, then you're good. If not, then all these cables that you have in your bag will be useless. Let me show you how you can get up and running on a different TV or monitor in a different country. No mouse? Don't worry. You can actually use your smartphone as touchpad to control the cursor on the screen. So in conclusion, if you only wanted to have Netflix and YouTube to watch in your hotel room or rented Airbnb home, DEX is a great option. However, if the TV in your hotel is already a smart one, or you have to type a long document while you're on your trip, then DEX is impractical, period. Why would you care too much about DEX anyway? What is the point? Well, the wider display makes you enjoy your movies and media content better. While you do it, your smartphone also gets charged. Also, you don't have to log your Netflix account in a random person's smart TV. You also don't have to do the same thing with your YouTube, Spotify, TED, or even Google Music accounts. DEX just provides you with a plug-and-play and go approach. If you have the right use case, then you're good to go. In our next episode, we focus on how useful MS Office, Microsoft Office is in Samsung DEX. Is it really a good alternative to the regular web app or even the Microsoft Office desktop application that we all seem to be very familiar with? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and share to your friends, and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Cheers!